Yo, 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 yo. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Family. He say Paul with Family Cruising. I forgot how he said it, man. I miss Family Cruising. That was a good channel. Right now we're gonna talk about what's what's going on with the Commander because it's back in the shop for oil leak that happened under it. I got my plates about to warm me up some pizza I got earlier, but long story short, basically, the car had an oil leak within the middle of the transmission and the engine. And I just spoke with one of the guys, yes, one of the owners, so-called one of the owners. And he's saying something with the intake manifold. I don't know. I mean, if you know cars, not an intake manifold is going to make a car lose that much oil. If you understand what I'm saying. It's not that much. It's not even really oil flowing through the intake manifold. I think gas is, but that's the fuel line. This is oil we're talking about. He said something about the intake manifold. I'm gonna show y'all the video that I do have. I only have one video. Not gonna make it a long video. Just trying to keep y'all updated on the process. So I got it towed back to them. I let it sit at my job for about 3 days. And then I got it towed back to them because it happened as soon as I turned into my parking lot. One day I was driving it and you could just see smoke come from under the car. So that was the first time it happened. And then it like went away. And I drove it, I think a day or whatever. Like, okay, the oil wasn't coming out the car or anything until what happened prior after that. But I was just driving it on, if you're from the DMV, you know, I was on Suitland Parkway driving it to go meet some people. They was having a meet that night or whatever. And oil leak. Oh, long story short, I seen smoke. And so I pulled over and looked under the car, you know, started checking all the fluids, cause I'm like, damn, I hope I didn't damage the engine or something like that, but it's technically not my fault. I mean, it happened like 3 or 4 days after I got the car, so it's covered under warranty. I don't care. Shoot, a new engine is better for me anyway. But I know it ain't come from no intake manifold. What I'm thinking, it's a rear main seal. I think it could be a rear main seal. Because you can still drive a vehicle with a bad rear main seal. Which I did. I drove it. Like it happened that night. I drove it to work. And it would have kept driving. Honestly, it would have kept driving. But I got on it one time. And it did it again. I got on it one time to get over. Because I went to McDonald's earlier. You know, I was checking it. So forth and so forth. Every time I stopped. I didn't stop on the highway because I didn't feel like it was big of a problem. But I got on it to get over. And that was it. You see the smoke hit the cat. Well, you can look under the car. You'll see in the video. The oil that hit the cat, and basically smoke will come up from under the hood. Basically looking like a radiator was blown or something like that. But it wasn't. And I don't know. I think what happened? I don't remember what happened. I just left it at work for a couple days. I was kind of low on money, so I just left it there, called my insurance company, and told it back to them. And this is where we at now. That's what they're telling me. I don't truly know. All I could do is actually show y'all the video that I actually have. And that's it, and that's all. So, make it an update, but I'm not going to keep y'all long. I'm just going to show y'all this one clip, and I'm going to be gone. So, please like, rate, subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. If you can, please tap that subscribe button. I do have mods for when it comes back. I'm fully committed to the car. I'm not getting rid of the car. It's my car. Y'all just gonna fix that car. That's it, and that's all. So, I catch y'all in the next one. Watch this clip. We gone. See, it's coming from in the middle. And it hit on the cat and make it hot. Probably don't have no oil in it. That's the trail from me parking. And you can still see the trail right there. I think there's no more oil in that. Peace.